Hello everyone. Today's topic is Vaikom Satyagraha. This was a social reform movement which was done in Vaikom near the princely state of Travancore in Kottayam district of Kerala. This was during the period of 1924-25, thus completing 100 years. It is important for prelims 2025. Now, it was the dawn of temple entry movements, that is one of the first in the temple entry movements. And Vaikom Mahadeva temple was the epic center of the town. However, Dalits were prohibited to enter even the roads of the temple. There was lot of agitation shown by Dalits towards the Brahmanical dominance. In All India Congress Committee meeting in Kakinada in 1923, T.K. Madhavan, along with Sardar Panikkar and K.P. Kesava Menon, submitted a petition to the Travancore Legislative Council. The petition sought to grant the right to temple entry and worship the god by all the sections of the society irrespective of caste, creed and community. A committee was formed under the chairmanship of K. Kallappan and the Satyagraha started. Now, Mahatma Gandhi also supported this movement and visited Vaikom in 1925. Despite the authorities' attempts to suppress, the Satyagraha ultimately succeeded and the temple was open to all the sections of people. This was a successful Satyagraha which happened in Kerala. It came to a close on November 23, 1925 after 604 days of long protests and satyagraha. Let us solve a question. Consider the following pairs. This was the question of UPSC Prelims 2019. The first column asks for movement and organization, whereas the second column should be matched with its leader. All India Anti-Untouchability League Mahatma Gandhi. This is correct. All India Kisan Sabha Swami Sahajananda Saraswati. Correct. And Self-Respect Movement by E.V. Ramaswamy. This is also correct. That's the answer is D. Thank you.